Have you ever believed that eating healthy meant eating only salads, fruits, and snacks, only to find yourself getting weaker with each passing week? It's a confusing reality many seniors face, doing the things you've always been told are right, but still waking up with sore feet, struggling to lift grocery bags, or finding it harder to get up from a chair without assistance. You might think it's because of age. But what if I told you that the very foods you rely on, the ones you think fuel your body, could actually be slowing down muscle recovery, or worse, contributing to silent muscle loss? Yes, you heard that right. For years, we've been given advice that works in theory, but doesn't always match how older bodies actually work. Our metabolism changes. Our digestion changes. And the way our muscles respond to nutrients becomes very different than it was when we were 30. So if you've been eating healthy, staying active, and still feel low on energy, it's not your fault. The problem may lie in what is missing or misunderstood in your diet. In today's video, we'll explore a powerful food that has quietly helped thousands of seniors rebuild muscle mass, even into their 70s. You may already have it in your kitchen, or you may have ignored it for years, thinking it was too heavy or not for the elderly. Follow me. This could be the missing piece to regaining your energy, stability, and independence. Let's take the first step together to feeling strong again. Was this information helpful to you or someone you know? Leave a comment below. We read every comment and would love to hear your story. Don't leave yet. At the end I will share the secrets to help you recover your muscles quickly. After only 48 hours, you can feel the change. Raw vegetables and plain salad, light on the stomach today, but secretly weakens the legs tomorrow. You know that satisfying feeling after eating a big bowl of fresh salad, crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, a few cucumbers tossed in a light dressing. It feels clean, light, wholesome. And for many seniors, it has become a favorite lunch or dinner. It's easy to prepare, not heavy on the stomach, and seems like the right choice for staying in shape after 60. But here's the part that no one really talks about. If salad is your main meal, and you're not getting enough protein and healthy fats, it can actually hurt your muscles over time. Yes, even when you think you're doing something good. You see, after age 60, our bodies change. Muscles don't hold up as easily. We naturally start to lose muscle mass, what's called age-related muscle loss, and without adequate nutrients, especially protein, that process accelerates. A single plate of salad, even with the addition of a few cherry tomatoes or carrots, doesn't provide all of what your body needs to stay healthy. Over time, you may start to notice little things. Your legs will get tired faster. Getting up from a chair requires more effort. You avoid taking the stairs because your knees shake. It's easy to blame age. But what if it's not age? What if it's what missing from your disc? Don't worry, you don't have to give up your salads. But here's a better way to build it. Get protein, grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, tuna, or beans. These foods are easy to digest and packed with the muscle-building nutrients your body needs. Healthy fats are important, too. Sprinkling some chopped walnuts or drizzling some olive oil not only makes the dish tastier, but also helps with nutrient absorption. Consider warm toppings. Roasted sweet potatoes, cooked quinoa, or warm lentils can turn a light salad into a balanced, satisfying meal that fuels your muscles, not just your hunger. Remember, snacking is good, but eating right it is what helps you walk stronger, stand straighter, and continue doing what you love. You don't give up healthy habits, you just upgrade them to have the life you deserve. Sweet fruits are seemingly good for you, but they're secretly making your muscles weaken after 60. Let's be honest, who doesn't love fruit? A ripe banana in the morning. A handful of grapes while watching your favorite show. Maybe a juicy apple after lunch. They're sweet, refreshing, and seem like a smart choice, especially if you're trying to cut back on snacks or sugar. And for many seniors, fruit is a safe food. It's easy to chew, gentle on the stomach, and packed with vitamins. So what could go wrong? Well, there is something that most people don't realize. Eating fruit alone won't help your muscles stay strong. In fact, if you rely heavily on fruit, especially sweet fruit, to fill your stomach, you may be missing out on what your body needs most, muscle support. After 60, our bodies need more than just healthy, they need targeted nutrition. And while fruits provide fiber and antioxidants, they lack protein and key nutrients needed to prevent muscle loss. And yes, even good sugar, the natural sugars found in fruit, can cause problems when eaten too often and without balance. You may notice feeling dizzy after a fruit breakfast, hungry again an hour later. Or worse, your legs will feel wobbly after only taking a few steps. These little red flags? They're your body telling you, I need more. Because while fruit provides quick energy, it also burns up just as quickly. Without slow-burning protein and nutrients, your muscles won't get the support they need to recover, especially if you're active or dealing with age-related muscle loss. But here's the good news, you don't have to stop enjoying fruit. You just have to incorporate it smartly. Banana. Add a spoonful of peanut butter or a slice of whole wheat toast to your eggs. Apple. Try it with a slice of cheese or some Greek yogurt. Berries or grapes. Blend them into a protein smoothie or oatmeal with chia seeds and nuts. These small changes may seem trivial, but they make a big difference. They turn fruit from a quick snack into a truly muscle-building meal. Remember that your body still needs sweetness, but it also needs strength. By balancing your fruit intake with protein and healthy fats, you're not only feeding your taste buds. You're giving your legs, arms, and heart exactly what they need to keep you moving, day in and day out. You're still there, comment and let everyone know if your family often eats berries for dessert. Don't leave yet, the important part is near the end of the video. Cereals and whole wheat bread, seemingly healthy, but they weaken your muscles over time. For years, we've been told, choose whole grains, they're healthier. So it's no surprise that many seniors start their day with a bowl of instant oatmeal or a slice of whole wheat toast. It feels comforting, familiar, and like the right thing to do. And let's be fair, these foods do have benefits. They are rich in fiber, aid digestion, and may support heart health. But here's the part most people miss, they're not good for your muscles. At least not by yourself. If you start your morning with just toast and coffee, or a packet of flavored oatmeal, you may be providing your body with carbohydrates, but not the protein and amino acids it needs to maintain or restore strength. And over time, that will become important. Muscle loss after age 60 doesn't happen all at once. It manifests itself in subtle ways. You feel tired walking to the mailbox. Your feet burn after climbing a short flight of stairs. You start skipping outings because standing for so long makes you tired. What's up? Your body is running on quick energy, but not repairing or regenerating itself. Most packaged cereals and instant oats are low in protein and often loaded with added sugar, even the ones that sound healthy. Whole wheat bread. It may have fiber, but it only has a few grams of protein, not enough to support aging muscles. But don't worry, you don't have to break your morning routine. Here's how to make muscle recovery easy. Do you like toast? Top it with a fried egg, almond butter, or cottage cheese. Love oats? Make them with milk or a high-protein milk alternative, and stir in chia seeds, nuts, or Greek yogurt. Still hungry? Combine carbs with a little protein smoothie, nothing fancy, just a banana, milk, and a spoonful of peanut butter will do. The key here is balance. Carbohydrates give you energy, but protein gives you strength. So next time you pick up a slice of toast or a bowl of oatmeal, ask yourself, where are the supporting muscles? With just a few small changes, your breakfast can go from filling to nourishing, leaving you feeling more settled, energized, and ready to start your day with confidence. This is the food that's helping thousands of over 60s build muscle, and you've probably been skipping it for years. 300 words. So, what foods have a silent effect on supporting muscle strength but are overlooked by many seniors? It is egg. Simple, humble, affordable, and surprisingly powerful. You might be thinking, I eat eggs sometimes. But the truth is, most seniors don't eat enough of these foods, or don't realize that they do. How much they can help restore muscle and increase strength after age 60. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of complete protein, meaning they contain all the amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle tissue. Just one egg provides you with about 6 grams of high-quality protein, along with important nutrients like vitamin D and B12, which help support energy and muscle function. Even better, they're easy to digest, quick to cook, and incredibly versatile. Adding 1 to 2 eggs per day to your diet can reduce tired legs, helps you regain strength in everyday activities like walking, lifting groceries, or climbing stairs. Better balance and stability support. Many older adults avoid eggs because they think they're bad for cholesterol, but current research shows that moderate egg consumption is safe for most people and actually beneficial when combined with a balanced diet. So tomorrow morning, instead of just having toast or cereal, try this. Fried eggs with fruit. Add a boiled egg to your salad. Or vegan omelette with whole wheat toast. Sometimes the most powerful changes come from the simplest foods. And what about this? It can help you move stronger, feel more stable, and stay independent longer. The right way to recover muscle after 60, no complicated needs, just regular. The good news is that you don't need to become a fitness expert or change your entire diet to rebuild muscle after 60. Just a few small changes made regularly can make a big difference. Here's a simple routine you can follow, no stress, no strict rules, just real results. Start your day with protein. Instead of just coffee and toast, try adding fried eggs, Greek yogurt, or a handful of nuts. Your muscles have been starved overnight, they need a boost. Divide protein intake evenly throughout the day. Many older adults eat most of their protein at dinner, but your body absorbs it better when it's broken down. Try to include some protein at every meal, even if it's just a small meal. Combined with gentle movement. After eating, take a short walk, even around the block, to help your body use that protein for strength. You don't have to do a high-intensity workout, just some light movement every day. Stay hydrated. Muscles need water to function properly. Dehydration can make cramps worse and slow recovery. Keep a bottle of water nearby and sip frequently. And most importantly, stick with it. Your body won't change overnight. But if you fuel it properly, on a regular basis, you'll start to notice better balance, more energy, and stronger legs in just a few weeks. You are never too old to get stronger. You just need to give your body the solid support it's been waiting for. It's easy to think that muscle loss, fatigue, or shaky legs are just part of the aging process. But the truth is, your body is still listening. It still has the ability to heal, regenerate, and grow stronger, if you take care of it properly. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need a fancy diet or intense exercise routine. You simply give your muscles what they've been secretly asking for. Real food. Real protein. Real consistency. Maybe you should start by adding an egg to your breakfast. Maybe replace sugary snacks with something more nutritious. Or maybe just choose to move a little more than yesterday. Small steps taken every day will make big changes over time. So if you feel tired, off balance, or weaker than before, don't give up. Because strength after 60 isn't about lifting weights. It's about self-improvement, one small habit at a time. You can do it. And we're here to walk with you on that journey. If this video gave you a new perspective, or even just a gentle reminder that you still have so much strength inside, don't keep it to yourself. Give it a like to let us know it helped. Leave a comment, we'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, or questions. Share this video with a friend, a neighbor, or someone in your family who might be feeling a little weaker these days. It might be the encouragement they need. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more senior-friendly tips on nutrition, strength, and healthy living. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a chance to take better care of yourself, one small change at a time. You're not alone in this. Let's grow stronger, together, day by day. If this video gave you a new perspective, or even just a gentle reminder that you still have so much strength inside, don't keep it to yourself. Give it a like to let us know it helped. Leave a comment, we'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, or questions. Share this video with a friend, a neighbor, or someone in your family who might be feeling a little weaker these days. It might be the encouragement they need. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more senior-friendly tips on nutrition, strength, and healthy living. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a chance to take better care of yourself, one small change at a time. You're not alone in this. Let's grow stronger, together, day by day.